Okay, the project started in January of 2019. By August of 2020, we haven't gotten anywhere. So we split ways with the original contractor. I spoke with other businesses here in the business part about who they would recommend. I was recommended Nationwide Construction and another company. I visited with both of them. We were on a very short time frame of getting this completed, and Nationwide just seemed like they had the resources to make this happen, and so I went with them, and it was a blessing. First of all, the building had been delivered. The metal building had been delivered. They had started to erect the metal building, and they didn't even do it correctly. The fasteners were incorrect. They needed stronger fasteners to make it happen. Concrete work was done incorrectly, and detention pond, all of that was incorrect. And they jumped in and said, we'll make it happen. We're gonna have to make changes, but we can make it happen, and they did. When I met with Tony, he showed me some videos of things that they had done, and it really looked wonderful and looked great. And the building that he has where he is, he showed me a video of how they dug up all the crud that was in their on that property, and it just looked like they had the equipment and they had the manpower and the knowledge to make it happen, and that was perfect. They came in and started working in December of 2020. I had an incentive agreement with the city of Cedar Hill that I needed to have a certificate of occupancy by March 15th. Very short time frame there. Thank goodness the city gave me an extension on that, but David, my superintendent on the building, just was pushing as hard as he could, and we had that CO by April the 15th. So I mean, really in 4 months, they got this thing done, a little over 4 months. And all the challenges they faced, it was remarkable that that took place. Yes, very much so. It was like, okay, I've already sold the building where we are, that we've been for 70 years. What do I do? I mean, we're stuck. We have to continue with this process of building because we don't have another choice. And thank goodness we had a good landlord. We were able to extend our lease there, and so it really did all work out at moments that I never thought it would, but it did, and it turned out a wonderful project on completion. It's been a wonderful experience. I didn't know it could be so easy. They took on all the headaches and took care of them, so I didn't even have to know about them, and that was wonderful. I just hired them and they took care of it all. It was awesome. The electrical system is just unbelievable. I'm not a machinist, but I know these machines take a lot of power, and they take a lot more power than I ever thought they would. And for them to have no plans and on all the electrical work, it's just amazing how they came in and made it happen. Moved a few walls here and there, and it just all came together. I just can't praise them enough. We have been so blessed by going with Nationwide Construction.